Here are 10 surprising signs that could indicate liver damage and help you understand when it's time to seek medical advice. But before we dive into these signs, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now let's begin. Number 1. Itchy skin. Persistent, unexplained itching could be an early sign of liver damage. This occurs when bile salts build up in the bloodstream due to impaired liver function. Itching related to liver issues is often more noticeable at night and may not be relieved by typical moisturizers. Unlike typical skin conditions, there may not be any visible rash associated with liver-related itching. The sensation can spread over large areas of the body and become severe over time. Consulting a doctor if you experience chronic, unexplained itching is essential. Number 2. Yellowing of the eyes or skin. Jaundice. Jaundice is one of the most recognizable signs of liver trouble and results from an excess of bilirubin. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment produced during the normal breakdown of red blood cells, which the liver typically processes and excretes. When the liver is damaged, it can't process bilirubin effectively, leading to a yellowing of the eyes and skin. This symptom often points to significant liver dysfunction and should never be ignored. Other symptoms, such as dark urine and pale stools, may accompany jaundice. Immediate medical attention is necessary to determine the cause and extent of liver damage. Number 3. Dark urine. Urine that appears dark, even when you're well hydrated, can indicate the presence of excess bilirubin. This happens when the liver isn't breaking down and excreting bilirubin properly, causing it to be passed through the kidneys. Dark urine might range from deep yellow to brown in color. While dehydration can sometimes cause dark urine, if it persists despite good hydration, it may signal liver issues. Accompanying symptoms such as jaundice or fatigue could further confirm liver involvement. A doctor's evaluation can help identify whether the dark urine is related to liver damage or another underlying condition. Number 4. Pale or clay-colored stools. The color of your stool can provide important clues about liver and bile duct health. When the liver fails to release enough bile into the digestive system, stools may appear pale, clay-colored, or white. Bile is essential for digesting fats and giving stool its typical brown color. A change in stool color could suggest a blockage in the bile ducts or other liver problems. This symptom often appears alongside others, such as dark urine or jaundice, indicating liver dysfunction. Seeking medical advice is crucial if you notice persistently pale stools. Number 5. Swollen abdomen, ascites. A distended or swollen abdomen, known as ascites, is often caused by fluid accumulation due to severe liver damage or cirrhosis. This occurs when the liver's reduced function disrupts fluid balance in the body. Ascites can lead to discomfort, a feeling of heaviness, and in severe cases, difficulty breathing or moving. The swelling typically starts gradually but can become pronounced over time. Other signs of liver issues, such as jaundice and swollen ankles, might accompany ascites. Medical evaluation and treatment are needed to manage fluid buildup and address liver health. Number 6. Easy bruising or bleeding. If you notice that you bruise easily or experience frequent nosebleeds, it could be due to impaired liver function. The liver is responsible for producing proteins that aid in blood clotting, so damage can lead to clotting issues. This can make even minor bumps or injuries result in significant bruising. Additionally, nosebleeds and prolonged bleeding from small cuts may be signs of liver dysfunction. People with liver damage may also develop small, red spots on the skin known as petechiae. If easy bruising or unexplained bleeding becomes frequent, a medical checkup is recommended. Number 7. Red or spidery veins on the skin, spider angiomas. Spider angiomas are small, red, web-like veins visible on the skin and can indicate liver issues. They occur due to hormonal imbalances caused by liver dysfunction, particularly when the liver cannot process estrogen properly. Spider angiomas are often found on the face, neck, chest, and arms. Although they can appear in healthy individuals, having multiple spider angiomas can be a red flag for liver problems. This symptom is common in people with cirrhosis or advanced liver disease. It's important to have spider angiomas checked by a doctor if they appear alongside other signs of liver damage. Number 8. Chronic fatigue and weakness. Constant tiredness and weakness could be signs of an underlying liver problem. When the liver isn't functioning well, toxins build up in the bloodstream, causing fatigue. This type of fatigue is not like regular tiredness and doesn't improve with rest or sleep. It's often accompanied by other symptoms such as loss of appetite, weight loss, or nausea. People with liver damage may also feel mentally foggy or have difficulty concentrating. If chronic fatigue is affecting your daily life, it's important to seek medical evaluation to rule out liver-related causes. Number 9. Nausea and loss of appetite. Ongoing nausea or an aversion to food can be early indicators of liver trouble. The liver plays a crucial role in processing nutrients and detoxifying the body. When it's compromised, nausea can result. This symptom is often worse after eating high-fat meals, which the liver struggles to process efficiently. Loss of appetite can lead to unintended weight loss and general weakness. Sometimes, nausea and poor appetite may occur before more noticeable signs like jaundice appear. If you experience these symptoms consistently, it's worth discussing with a healthcare provider. Finally, number 10. Bad breath or sweet, musty smell. Fetor hepaticus. Fetor hepaticus is a specific type of bad breath characterized by a sweet, musty odor and is associated with liver disease. It's caused by the buildup of dimethyl sulfide and other compounds in the bloodstream that are not properly processed by the liver. This smell can be present even with good oral hygiene and may be a sign of severe liver dysfunction. Fetor hepaticus is often seen in individuals with advanced liver disease or cirrhosis. People with this symptom may also experience other signs of liver damage, such as jaundice or fatigue. Consulting a doctor is crucial if you notice persistent bad breath with no dental cause. If you experience any of these unusual signs, it may be worth consulting a healthcare professional to assess your liver health. Liver damage can progress silently, so catching early symptoms can make a significant difference in managing or even reversing potential issues. With proper medical attention and lifestyle changes, it's possible to support liver health and prevent further complications. Remember, your body often sends subtle signals when something isn't right. Listening to these signs can be key to protecting your long-term wellness. Taking action now can help ensure a healthier, more resilient liver for years to come.